Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating a DC-10T-UP-Term timer that is maintained trigger to start and count up, and when that trigger is open it resets back to 0. So as you can see, there are 6 of them in one enclosure. They all are separate timers for their own room. They say it's for a tanning bed at Planet Fitness. So they have 6 rooms that need timers, and they wanted them all put into one enclosure. We have it in an aluminum enclosure. These are all 1-inch high displays, and each one, like I said, has its own input, and they are hours, minutes, and seconds, tenths, hundredths of seconds. They all shift over. I will show you that here in a minute. So the actuation is, I will do it on the 6th timer here. It has a plate on the back that you can attach your conduit to or seal tight. It is a 1/2-inch conduit, and or your cabling. It's low voltage, but there's a plate in the back with a terminal block. But right now I'm just going to connect the 2 input wires, and they will, as you can see, it's counting off seconds, tenths, hundredths right now, and it will shift over to minutes and seconds, and then finally hours and minutes up to 99 hours. Each one has its own input, like I said earlier. Let's go ahead and start each one, and you can get an idea of how this is going to operate and give you a little better view of what the separation is. So each one has its own isolated input, so separate from the other. No common reset or anything like that. And they wanted them all in the same case. So as you can tell, they're all different times. So like this one's going to get to a minute, and you see how it shifted over. So now we have minutes and seconds, and then same for hours and minutes, it will shift over. And then when they're done with the usage of the room, the switch will open and go back to 0. And as you can see, that there are removable panels behind each display. So we have 6 removable panels, and then you have terminal blocks to attach your field cabling to. Currently we have them on terminal 1 right here. Plus and minus doesn't matter. It just takes a contact closure or 24 volts input, and then it's 4 screws, 6 30-second screws to reattach it, and we provide all that. As you can see, the display is top mount, like a desktop or bent countertop mounting. They wanted to set them. We'll provide rubber feet for it. Your power's down here to the right, 3-prong plug, 120. It is 120 powered with a 3-prong 6-foot cord with ground, and just a regular outlet, a wall outlet. So again, this is Jim with DC Digital demonstrating 6 DC-10T-UP-Terms in one enclosure. Thank you for watching.